Okay, so we will have been given something like this. And how do we kind of create something that is like this, like kind of a shallow dish? So I'm going to show you. So we're going to go here and I'm going to start with a sketch and do the front plane. And we're going to put in half of our specifications. So starting here, let's go over 60. Okay, like that. And then this is just a different way of putting in dimensions with the line tool. So let's go 75 and 45 and there's a lot of different ways to do the same thing. So this guy is going to be 85 and we'll keep going up like this. So we'll do 50 and 60 here. Okay. And then I'm going to go straight over here and down. Okay, and that creates that profile. This is the fillet tool. A fillet is a curved edge, and what you want to do is you want to click on the corner right there. Yeah, until you get that red right there. And so we're going to do that. We're going to do a 10 millimeter fillet. And I'm going to go up here and go another 10 millimeter. Oh, let's go 15 on this guy. And reach your way over here. I'm going to go on this corner. Okay, so get closer. Oops. Okay, there we go. Fillet. No, it wants me to save this. There we go. Oh, I know what's happening. I was zooming in too much. Okay. So right here, that's going to be 10. I couldn't figure out what was going wrong. I was way zoomed in. This guy, there we go. This one I'm going to do 4. Okay. You just go according to your specifications, and we go finish. And then we're going to revolve this guy. Okay. We're going to revolve this shape. We have the profile is selected. We want to go axis, select, and that whips that around. We go okay. Now we're going to use the shell tool. Okay, shell tool, and we're going to select the face that we want to shell. And that's going to be this guy. And we're going to go down, 10 millimeters. So I want a 10 millimeter thickness on that shell. And I hit OK. So this wall should be 10 millimeters thick. Okay. And then what we're going to do, there were holes in my design over here. I know it doesn't look exactly the same, but there were holes in this guy. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So our first thing, to create the hole, we want them exactly opposite each other. So I'm going to go sketch, and we're going to start on this plane. Okay. And then I want the hole right centered here. So I'm going to go like this and go up. I'm going to go between there and here. And I'm going to bring it out, maybe go 15. Okay. Let's go 15. Okay. So I get that. Now, what's interesting about this is that's actually in the middle right there. And that's okay. That's where I want it. We're going to go finish sketch. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this circle that's just floating in the middle, and we're going to go extrude, and we're going to use the cut feature. So I actually want it to go to one side, and I want it to go through all. Okay, so you can see it's projecting through it, and we're using a cut. If you wanted a join, it would look like that, but we're doing cut. Okay, and we're gonna hit OK. So now we're going to use this as an array, and we're going to go rectangular pattern, but I want a circular pattern, and I want to grab this section here, and the axis I'm going to select is going to be the center axis. Spin that around, and I want a lot. I want 20 of these. I'm just going to spin it around and just punch holes in the whole thing. And they're all perfect and they're all beautiful. We're also going to play with a new feature called the render feature. So I'm going to go here and go render. And that gives us kind of this real cinematic looking thing. And right here, I'm going to click the appearance button. And over here, I want to change it into a glass. Okay, and we get all these kind of fun colors of glass. So let's say I bring this over and drop that on, and we get a really fun, realistic looking glass. So that could be like a light or something like that. Thank you so much.